guys, I just wanted to show you like how my website looking. I've been working on it for I say about 4 days. I did most of the design work. I still have to add my logo here and a few gold roses around. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks scrolling. I'm going to add a picture right here. And yeah, it's just looking so cute. I'm so proud of it. I'm not trying to do like a basic website that everybody has. It's okay, Tiara. Just like with a few things. And you know, it just have like the product page and product frequently asked questions. I want to have like different pages, different things you can go to, and I'll show you what I mean exactly. But here it say more about a brand and policy. That will have like a clickable link. Then you see I have my gold rose with code represent. Then I'm gonna have another picture right here. And then when you keep going, that is my products that I have currently. So yeah, they just look so cute. When you hover, they show like the main product, and then the second photo, which I think is cute. And you see it has a quick view section, which it'll let you see what quick view is. I'll show you that in a second as well. It has the name and the prices at the bottom, and you can also go to shop all things of that nature. I have my YouTube channel up there, obviously. You know, gotta represent. Right now I have this playlist on here, which is my quiz video playlist, which I'm very fond of. But when I start doing my entrepreneur video, that is what will go in that spot. Then right here is just like a black strip. I don't think I'm gonna put anything right here. I might put like a gold rose right here, but we'll see. And one probably on the other side, but we'll see. It may be my logo again. That'd be cute. But we'll see. And then we go to the bottom. This is my Instagram. So these are my recent posts. As you hover over them, you have the, so you have the, what you call this? When you write the little description and how many likes and comments you have on it. It tells me my current followers and posts and things like that, which I think is just super cute. And it shows the recent 4. You can change that up to grids and stuff. And this is my email sign up. When you sign up, you do get 50% off your first order. It will show the code at the bottom, you guys. It is so cute. Here are some of the links to some of my pages. Some of these pages won't show up in like the main menu bar, but you will be able to click them to like, see what it does and stuff. Like, for example, like, let's see how it say fragrance wearing tips. If you was to click it, wait, let me see. If you was to click it, for example, where did it go? Oh, yeah, like I was saying, it won't show up in the main menu bar like this, but it will be at the bottom in case you guys need to, see it. Well, this one shows up here, but some of them don't. But this is like a fragrance wear tips. I'm not done with this page, but I will be putting details here about how you can make sure you get the best wear out of your perfume, such as longevity and strength. And this is just how this page looks. Really cute. I really like it. Now let's go to all fragrances. So I'm gonna go ahead and click all fragrances. You guys, my page is going to be so cute. And I'm not all the way done with it, but I'm mainly done with that design. I just got to put in all the information. I got all my products ready. Y'all, I'm so hyped. So this is how all of them going to look. They're all going to have, like, this picture as the main product picture. I just don't have it for this one yet. I have to take them. I already did, like, in my book. So as you can see, I already got in my book, like, ones I already took. Like, I did the selfie, the fur laying down, which is this one here. I did the selfies for this one, which is, like, my selfies holding the product. I didn't want to do one with me, like, holding it in my hand. And then that's, like, going to be the, like, aesthetic and main thing of my products. It's going to be cute. And I got it written down the ones I did and need to do, such as each fragrance and stuff. So I got that done. And like I said, I really like that you can hover over them and you can see me holding it or whatever it may be. I love it. Right now, they have 6 scents on here. And these 3. And that's right now. But I got told up with 12 scents. So let's click one. Let's click this one. So you can click quick view. This is how I look as a quick view. Okay, so over here, right, this section will be gone. I will only have it as an oil. I just wanted to test things like that, but you will only be able to get the oil. I offer this in an oil. This is RGB. I offer this in an oil and a potion, but it would be separate. Like product style. They won't be under here. It'd be like the Arctic for the oil, and then the next one it would be the Arctic Breeze or the spray or whatever I have, the potions or whatever. So you can do like close-ups of it, which is really cute. You can switch pages. Glorious. I'm in love. And then sizes only have 5 ml to start with, but in the future I shall have more. I'm gonna just select one, add it to cart, and you guys can see how my cart look. Let's do oil. So when you push add to cart, it pops up here. I was just testing stuff, you guys. That's why it's like right there. So this is like a quick view. So it's a sample example. You know, like me, when I do my samples, I was doing like an example of them. See, this is how it will look. Say quantity and the price, and your subtotal at the bottom. So this is how this would look. And you would click view cart. And this is how my cart looks, you guys. It's gonna be so bomb. Let's just remove something. It's really easy to navigate. What did I do? Oh, it's really easy to navigate. Like my website is super easy. It's not hard to use anything. I just wanted to make it beautiful. So, and then estimated shipping is this one. Let's see if we can go scroll down. Okay, so estimated shipping. Right now I have first class shipping. That's like the most cheaper, and you still get a tracking number. I'm gonna put the days of estimated like delivery and stuff. But for now, this is how it looks. $325 and priority mail. Priority mail will be $785. I'm still working on international shipping. I might even add express shipping, but I'm not sure yet. But you will choose which one you want. I guess it's doing it by weight, but you pick that one, and it says shipping $325 and your total. If you have a promo code or a note, you will leave it here. And this is my shopping cart. Let me go to the top. And this is the shopping cart in case you want to like click here and view it and stuff. You push here. I gotta change that X color. And then to go back, you will have to go continue shopping. So you guys, I just thought I'd show you guys a quick view of how it looks so far. And I really like this thing too, because when you hover over it, it turns gold. You probably seen this. If you don't follow my Instagram, follow my Instagram at MMW Scents. Right here on the screen somewhere. I post like a lot of sneak peeks and stuff. So I like that you hover over it, it turns gold and with black letters, and then when you don't, it's like black, but it's so cute. Then over here you have like the all fragrances, you have the spray or the potions. You have them also here, you know, easy navigation. Or you can just click this one, and then like I said, it'll take you to all the products. As you see, some of them have menu bars at the top, or some will have it on the side. But for the most part, you have it at on the side. So, yeah, you guys, I'm so proud of it. Can't wait to guys see this. I don't know if I drop it yet. I don't know if I'll be posting videos. I'm like pre-recording videos, but if I already drop it, I hope you guys like it. But if I haven't, be excited. Just really quickly, I'm going to click on one. Let's see which one we're going to click on. This one, and then we're going to just quick view really quick, just so I can show you guys something. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like I just look so cute, you guys, on my photos, y'all. And I like that you can do close-ups and stuff. Look at that hair. Look at that wet wave right there. You know what I'm saying? Look at that makeup girl with your little fake moles and stuff. Oh, look at them glossy lips, y'all. I just think that is so cute. And my product, that's unapologetic, y'all. That scent is strong and one of my favorites. Yeah, boo, I see you. I see you, boo. Looking good, girl. Oh, yeah, girl, with the nice shiny face. Y'all swear Snapchat got the best camera. Alright, look at that. Cute. Alright, guys, well, let me start working on it, and I'll see you guys later.